Alright, back to the Riley defense. Okay. I've got about maybe 25 rounds in this SGM tactical mag. I'm going to shoot offhand. Play a little pentagram here. Got ad for AC/DC. Alright, the scenario is sitting here minding my own business and fucking meth head shows up down there about 35 yards waving the Glock at me. So we all know what that means, right? Meth head should have stayed home. Alright, we switched targets out. Now I'm shooting my Glock. We'll get some more music playing. I like to shoot guns and listen to music, so. Damn, I let that up. That was some, this Freedom Munitions 9mm 124 grain hollow points. These are remans. I got over 500 rounds of the stuff back at the other place. Alright. Get my beanie off stick. Get out here. All right. And that last one threw brass right back in my face.
Sticker Mill's production process makes it easy to get your custom products fast. Use simple.
Be quiet. these targets here. I'll do a mag change. Five shots per each. Hell yeah. Fill me once more. Let's see. Rounds each. Alright, I'm gonna try a mag change with the way I carry my backup mags, because I usually just have them in the left pocket of my pants. Alright, gonna shoot 5, drop mag. Rather quick, honestly. I impressed myself. Alrighty, last clip of the day. Alright, I'm gonna shoot some of this Bellum ammo. That's the same box of Bellum that somebody got mad at me for buying there back when the ammo shortage was still going. Because it was like $4 or $5 more than the price it was in like 2019, which I guess the idea that the economy was fucked didn't occur to him. But anyway, I'm gonna shoot the imaginary meth head down there again, mag dump his ass, so here we go. 21 shots. I see you down there, you yeah, you're addicted to something else now. Another dead crackhead. Yeah. One less Biden supporter. Woo, no. Woo. Catch y'all in the next one.